Today we are going to learn about how to get the area and perimeter of a triangle. Now let's get started. Everyone knows what is a triangle. It's a shape with three sides to make it like this. Well, a fact about triangles that all the angles, degrees, if you add together, it must be 180 no matter what. But today we're learning about the area and the perimeter. Well, let's start with the perimeter. Perimeter is easy. I suggest you to watch my video on area with rectangle and squares. It's actually the same. You get the length of all the sides, add them together. Sometimes the triangles, the sides are the same. If you can do that, just multiply 3 by one side. So now let's get on the area part. It's pretty hard. Something you have to know is 2 triangles equals 1 square. This is a very important thing. So to know the area, you must know that the equation is the bottom line. I'm just going to write B that multiplies by the height. What is the height? The height is a straight line down here. Straight line down the middle of the triangle. Some triangles only have 1 height, but others do. Some have a million lines of height. This one only has 1. After drawing the height, you got to show that it's a height by having its 90 degrees. 90 degrees up here to make it a height. So let's draw another one down here. Let's see. Bang. Bang. Okay, so I'll show you an example of a triangle with all the heights are the same, but you can find many of them. So this is actually a triangle too. Wait a second, please. Gotta use to draw a line to show you. Sorry about that. So my triangles here. I'll just make up the dots for it. Dot. So this triangle is like this. Where do you find the height? There's a height down here. You have to find it out of the triangle. Sometimes you have to find the height out of the triangle. So that is the case of it, finding the height somewhere else than inside. But after all, after you've done it, you gotta put a 90-degree sign here. So let's come back. Multiply by what? Multiply by what? It's of course the height. Oh, gotta write that. That's doing the job. Okay, gotta write this. Multiply the height. I'm just gonna write H. So, and then after that, you put like a. After that, you divide by 2. By 2 here. So now you get the area. So the dividing by 2 is actually, if you do the bottom times the height, you get actually 2 of them. 2 of them, if it is 2 of them, you gotta divide by 2 because we're trying to get the area of 1 triangle. So whatever you do, just follow this. The bottom line here or here, or only the bottom line. To multiply by the height here, and another example here. You must draw the little half square thing to show it's the height. And then you gotta divide by 2. You get the area. So let's do an example. Let's do an example. I'm gonna leave the app here. I'm gonna make another. Well, try to think of some questions by yourself. Okay, now let's get started on some examples. That was the equation. Now have an example. Examples. Shape. Make a few triangles. Okay. This is gonna be it. And now try. Okay, so look at this one I'm drawing. This one. Okay, the height I'm gonna write is 6 meters. 6. I'm just gonna write 6 for now. The bottom is 3. Well, what is the area? Equals 6. 6, 6, 6, 6. What? Do it again. Do it by yourself without me. Multiply by 3. Divide by 2. What is it? 18 divided by 2 is 9. So the area is 9 square meters here. Square meter is the area to this one. Now, this is one example. You can do more at home. And now, bye-bye. Have a good day. See you tomorrow.